Do you feel like you're just guessing with your prospecting, looking for mortgage and protection customers? Use this ladder, the prospecting ladder I'm going to show you, to clarify what to do now. So the prospecting ladder. At the top, you have customers who want to buy. And at the bottom, you are unknown. Okay? The prospecting ladder. So how quick you get up this ladder determines on how many rungs you go up. How high you get up on the ladder, how close you get to the customers buying, depends upon the rungs that you put on the ladder. So let me explain. The more rungs you've got on the ladder, right, the easier it is to climb. Of course, if you've just got one rung, let's say this one, you've got to jump up there and you've got to jump up there. They're less likely to buy. But if you get multiple touch points, you get multiple rungs on the ladder, you are a lot more likely to get the customer to buy. So for example, this could be initial contact. Then they might see you on social media doing a couple of posts. Then they might see one of your adverts. You're doing adverts on socials. Then they might get one of your emails because they've signed up to something. Then they might see that you sponsor a team locally, or you're sponsoring an event, or you're visible online somewhere. They might get a letter from you in the post, a newsletter. You might send them something there. You might, if they're already maybe a customer and you want to get them to rebuy, because you can have buy and you can have rebuy as well. Upsells and cross sells. They might get a phone call off you about a review every year. They might actually get a birthday card off you. We used to do this at Bespoke. We used to send them birthday cards and Christmas cards. Yeah. But the point is, let's focus on rebuy for 1 second. If you sell to them, right, and you were down here, you're relatively unknown, you did one transaction with them, you've sold to them once, and you are expecting them to rebuy from you, as in buy something else, and you're trying to jump from bottom to top without any rungs on the ladder, it's a lot harder. Whereas if you've sold to them once, you've added them on social media, they've seen your content, they've had a couple of emails off you, they've seen you sponsor local teams and events, they've had a couple of letters off you, they've had a birthday card and Christmas card, how much more likely are they to rebuy from you? A lot. When you're focusing on the initial purchase, the initial time to buy life insurance or do the mortgage with you, you're relatively unknown. How do you even get them there? That must be from your social media content. It might be a referral or word of mouth. Word of mouth. And then they might have seen that you've seen the company around, you've sponsored some events, we've got your letter, we've got this, we've got that. The more likely it is they are going to buy, the more times they see you, right? So that's about moving up the ladder, the prospecting ladder. The more rungs you've got, anybody can climb that ladder, right? If there's loads and loads of rungs, I've seen you loads and loads of times in different ways, so anybody can climb that ladder. Even a basic salesperson who's unskilled, who's brand new, can climb that ladder. The great salespeople out there, yeah, they could hop, maybe do that in 3 jumps, right? Because they're really good at sales. And if your sales team aren't that good, or you're relatively new to sales, you need more ladders, right? So therefore you need more touch points. And what you've got to build into your process is becoming more visible, whether that's for new customers or existing customers. And that is the prospecting ladder. More rungs, quicker you climb. If you like content like this and you want to learn a little bit more about each of the rungs and how to implement them into your business and get better at them, the Wealthy Advisor Club will cover all of this type stuff, from email marketing to social media to advertising to letter campaigns to rebrokes and reviews and becoming better known and adverts and paid ads and PPC. It's all covered in there in detail, in presentations that you can watch back and learn so you can implement into your own business to grow it. So 7-day free trial to Wealthy Advisor Club, killer community, all for mortgage and protection brokers. I'll see you there.